The pandemic has changed the way we go about many aspects of our lives, including the vital process of blood donations. Vicki Finson is the Executive Vice President of Blood Services for BloodWorks Northwest.
BloodWorks Northwest used to draw about two-thirds of all of our blood out on mobile blood drives, out at businesses and event centers and other community groups, places of faith and worship, all kinds of different things. Schools was big. Colleges and high schools. And we can't do any of that anymore. So our centers now collect about 75% of the blood that's needed. And those centers were always there, but I think when people were working and commuting and doing all those things, it was harder for them to get to the centers. So now people are finding that those centers are very convenient. And then we have pop-up locations where we go and we're there for a few months. And we're open certain days. And our website at BloodWorks NW, you can see all the different places that you can donate.
As the holidays approach and the pandemic spirals out of control, donations have been dropping. At the same time, there's an increasing demand for blood. Vicki says there are now tougher safety protocols in effect for donors.
One of the things we did was we are appointment only now. So before, donors could just show up and sometimes wait and sometimes not, get right in, but now we are appointment only. We did that for a couple of reasons. One, primarily for safety, to ensure good social distancing at all of our locations, to ensure that there wasn't a backlog of people waiting. We also did it as a better way to predict our blood inventory, and that has really helped us through the pandemic.
Here's what else you'll notice when you go donate.
They're going to notice that there's less things for them to touch, that we've changed some of the processes so that there is less touching interaction. We implemented in April something called Quick Pass, which means that you can go on your phone or on your computer the day of your donation and do your history in advance. So then you come in with a barcode, which we scan, and it simplifies the whole process for you, gives you less time at the center, less time to wait, and less things to touch as well. And then certainly the canteening process is a bit different as well, where it's more, eat what you pick up, so more self-service. And then, of course, we do a lot of cleaning between every single donor, and we really ensure good social distancing at all times that we can during the entire donation process.
And you can find the location of those pop-up donation sites or schedule a blood donation by going to bloodworksnw.org.